reflecting on the course of basic semiconductor introduction to non-experts. We have now had 3 lectures, and today is the 4th one. So I'm on my way to the office to prepare it. And I'm quite happy with the interaction which we have had at these 3 first lectures, where I have introduced a little bit about semiconductors, a little bit about career opportunities, and a little bit about different things. And the idea is that participants will gain more information and more knowledge and use this in some way when they make decisions for the future career. And the first participants are university students or higher educational institutions students, and they get introduced to semiconductors, and they don't need to be experts, but then they can apply their knowledge to whatever they will be doing in the future. And the most nice part is that it has been highly interactive, meaning that when we, after the presentations, when we sit down and discuss, then there's a lot of questions and things, and then we are actually answering questions to the students of their interest. It's not that I should share information and some things which I believe, because that's not tailored for the persons, each individual. And that is why the interactive part is so useful, because then we actually come into personal interest and can discuss things which are not maybe clear, or ask some questions of something which we have been reading, things like that. So the start is always the tricky part, but if you get a good start, interaction, then things just move along. And this now I've seen this happen now. So now we had 3 lectures, and there's still some more to go, but it will be super interesting to see. There's my office over there.